In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a HIPAA email disclaimers area to your email signature using Bybrand. In the healthcare industry, HIPAA email disclaimers are crucial to include in emails containing confidential information. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Bybrand dashboard and navigate to the email signature template. Then, choose a template. Once you're in the editor, locate the option to add a disclaimer section in the footer. In this area, you can type or paste the HIPAA email disclaimer text you want to use. You will probably already have the content saved in a text editor, so just paste it here. Make sure to review the disclaimer text for accuracy and compliance with HIPAA regulations. Save the signature so you don't lose the information. Now let's add an image to enhance the visual impact of the disclaimer. In the same section where you added the text, click on the image icon to upload a relevant image, or add one from the image gallery. Choose an image that represents the context of the disclaimer, such as a lock icon or a HIPAA logo. Adjust the image size and placement within the email signature area to ensure it looks visually appealing and professional. Remember to save your changes and test your email signature in different email clients to ensure that the disclaimer appears correctly. And that's it. You have successfully added a HIPAA email disclaimer area to your email signature using Bybrand.